Camping advice for beginners and advanced campers. Whether you sleep in a tent, an RV, or under the stars, taking a camping trip is a great way to escape the hustle and bustle of day-to-day life. Getting away from it all can be rejuvenating and fun with just a little know-how. Here are a number of tips for enhancing and improving your next camping trip. Pre-cool your ice chest by filling it with loads of ice, at least 6 hours prior to departure. When you are about to leave, pack up your refrigerated cool drinks and block ice, not cubed. Popping room temp beverages will take up valuable ice life, and the cubes will melt much quicker than a block. While you may think that nature will offer up enough wood to keep your fire embers burning, it could quite possibly be wet wood that doesn't really want to burn. Bringing some extra wood in a watertight wrapping is a smart idea for camping success. A big concern with many people who go camping is the bugs. Do not get stuck in the middle of nowhere without having some sort of bug repellent. Check your surroundings before setting up camp for any wasp nests or anthills that could cause you problems. Wear long pants and long-sleeved whenever possible, and inspect yourself for ticks occasionally. If you are using a tent for camping, put a great deal of thought into buying your tent. Consider the climate. Consider your price range. How often will you be using this tent? You don't want to buy a tent that won't be able to stand up to the elements. At the same time, you don't need to pay a fortune for a tent you plan to only use once. No matter where you pitch your tent or park your camper, camping should be a relaxing, refreshing way to unwind and take life a little more slowly. Armed with the tips and ideas presented in this video, you can make your next camping trip a successful, stress-free outdoor adventure. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pin today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.